Hello everyone and welcome in your math class. I hope you people are all fine. Today we are going to start in math class our pages from 16 to 18 from learner's book. In this we are going to learn numbers to 100. We are going to learn rows and columns, and we are going to talk about tens and ones. So we are going to say numbers to 100, rows and columns, and tens and ones. We are going to discuss these things in today's class. So here guys, see here question number 4, part A. We have different objects in columns. If we are going from up to down, we say these are columns, and when we are moving from right to left, these are rows. So we have some objects in columns. Let's count them in columns: 5 and 5. So in one box we have 10 blocks or 10 objects: 10, 20, 30. How many tens? 3 tens. Here the objects are less than tens, so we are going to put them in ones. So let's say it is 3 tens and 2 ones. You can count them separately also, but we are counting them in tens because they are in tens. One box is in tens. Each box has 10 objects. Here, why we didn't put them in the tens? Because they are less than tens. So if the numbers are less than tens, we call them ones. Even the number, if it is 9, we are going to say it is ones. 10 or are counted as or put in the box of tens. Okay, moving on to the next question, question number B. Here are 4 columns. Each column has 10 rows, 10 boxes, and we have some separate boxes also. So we are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes in each column: 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens. Let's count these. If they are tens, we are going to put them in tens. If they are less than tens, we are going to write them in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7, and 7 is less than 10, so we are going to put them in ones. 47 is the answer. Okay. Moving on to the question number C. Question number C, we have some coins of tens and ones. So we are going to count them: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have 70 tens and only one coin. So we are going to say it is 71. 1 is in ones and 7 tens. Okay. Moving on to the next page. Just a minute, guys. So guys, here is a question. Draw a different representation of the number shown. So we are going to take the same number, or you can even take other numbers. So for example, it is 53 again. the same number, okay, as shown. So we are going to take half of it in the half of it in the separate box and half of it in the just a minute. We can say it is 25 and 28. When we are going to add these two numbers, we are going to get 53. So you can take another number also, for example, make a circle. You can take number 98. And in this number, you can separate it in different ways. You can say, okay, so we can distribute them in different ways, saying 50 and 48 in separate. So this is the representation of another number shown. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, put these numbers in 100 square. We are missing numbers, so we are going to add them. So here, first of all, you have to understand when we are moving in rows, we are going to add 1. And when we are moving in columns, we are going to add 10. 4, it is, the next box is under the 4, so it means it is column. When it is column, we are going to add 4. If it is down, we are going to add 10. If it is up, we are going to minus 10. Okay, 14 plus 10 is 24. And now here, the next box is not under the 24. So what we are going to say, we are going to take it as rows. 24, what comes after 24? 25. Okay, maybe this one is tough, but you can see another example, another question. 8, what comes after 8? 9, 10. But when we are taking this column of 8, we have to add 10. When we add 10, it becomes 18. Okay, likewise, you can say 42, 52. And again, it is easy. What comes after 52? 53, 54, 55. Then we have here, when we are moving up, we are going to minus 10. Okay, to find the number that was in the column. Here, it is easy. Again, we are going to add 10, 77. When we are moving up, we are going to less the number, so it will be 57. And before 57, what comes? 60. 7, it comes 56. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to do this one, and 79, you have to try by yourself. 45 plus 5 plus 10, 55. What comes before 45? 44. And when we are moving next, 45 plus 1 is 46. Okay. Now what about the box that is above 45? We are going to less, or you can say we are going to minus 10. So it will be 35. So that's all for today, guys. I have sent the homework in the group. I hope you have understood what I was teaching. Thank you for watching the video. Take care and see you around.